Finding duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online is a crucial task to maintain the accuracy and integrity of your financial data. This guide will walk you through the steps to identify and manage duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. First, it is essential to understand what duplicate transactions are. Duplicate transactions refer to identical or nearly identical transactions that are recorded more than once in your accounting system. These can include invoices, payments, deposits, and other financial transactions. To find duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online, start by navigating to the transaction list. You can do this by clicking on the Accounting tab and selecting the type of transaction you want to review, such as invoices or payments. Next, customize the transaction list by adding columns that are relevant to your search. For example, you can add columns for date, amount, and customer or vendor name. This will help you to quickly identify potential duplicates. Now, sort the transaction list by the columns you added. For example, you can sort by date and then by amount. This will group similar transactions together, making it easier to spot duplicates. As you review the transaction list, look for transactions that have the same date, amount, and other relevant details. If you find a duplicate transaction, you can select it and click on the Edit button to review and modify the transaction as needed. It is also a good idea to use the Audit Log feature in QuickBooks Online to track changes to transactions. The Audit Log provides a record of all changes made to transactions, including who made the change and when. To prevent duplicate transactions from occurring in the future, it is essential to establish good accounting practices. This includes regularly reviewing and reconciling your accounts, using unique and descriptive transaction numbers, and implementing a system for tracking and verifying transactions. In conclusion, finding duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of accounting principles. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can identify and manage duplicate transactions, maintain the accuracy of your financial data, and ensure the integrity of your accounting system. Regularly reviewing and reconciling your accounts, using unique and descriptive transaction numbers, and implementing a system for tracking and verifying transactions will help to prevent duplicate transactions from occurring in the future.